Hello there, everybody from the internet. Today we are going to do a product review for a steam mop I bought from Amazon. This is the Shark S7000 Steam Mop. It has two rotating pads, which is also replaceable pads on the bottom, and is shooting out power steams from the bottom as well. It helps you to remove all the really sticky stains on your tile floor or your wood floor. Okay, I have a tile floor in my kitchen, in my living room, and we are gonna try out this mop in there. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so for the first thing you want to do is to fill the water up with this cup right here. Okay, and then you want to open this thing up right here. Oh, that's already open. All right, this cap right here. Let's open it, and then you can just put the water in there. All right, and then we're gonna plug it in. Hold on, let me close this up. You gotta plug it in and press the power button. It will take like 20 seconds or 30 seconds to heat up the steam for you. Here I got a plug in, and then I am going to mop this area on my tile. As you can see, it's very dirty. All right, with all this crazy marks in the kitchen area. Okay, I'm gonna do a mop through. See, just like spicy sauce over there. All right. So right now my machine is on the standby mode, and you can press the mode button here to get it to light or normal. And then if I step into here, actually you want to get it to steam. The steam is coming out. After you hit that and hit the button again, it goes to standby mode again. Alright, now you can just step into it and then crank this, put it to normal, and you're ready to go. So let's hit this guy right here. I'm not applying any force right now. I'm just like let it do his thing, spinning, and then it's gone. Alright, let's look at this right here. Yeah, 5 seconds, and it's gone. Pretty powerful mop, and you don't have to use much of force to clean a really tough and stainy spot. Oh, it's just steam is coming out. Let's get this spot right here. And it's gone. Pretty effortless because I'm just holding it like this and just moving around. That's pretty powerful. Get that spot right there. I'll say it's pretty good to get off the spot like this. But if the foot got stuck on the floor like this, it's still pretty hard to get it off, right? So this spot is clean. That's pretty nice. And you can see the water level here. Here's the water level, this is the max level, and that's the water level we have. So I put the mop head spin around on the tough spot we have, like the food that's stuck on the floor. Leave it on there for like a couple seconds and it will be gone. Because the steam is pretty powerful with the high temperature. Yeah, this will make the tile real clean. So this is another spot right here. That's like fruit that's kind of stuck to the tile. And you just use this guy to like do a back and forth motion. Put the steam on there. Let the spinning does its work for a little bit. Alright, it's almost gone. It's getting thinner and thinner, as you can see. I'm just putting the spinner on top of it. It's almost gone. Yeah, you can just hover over. I should clean the tough spot for you at least. Even though this mop has a little weight to it, but when I'm controlling it, it's pretty effortless. As you can see, the spot is almost gone. And it's completely gone. Alright. And let's say if you're tired of mopping, you want to take a break, you can just snap it back on and the spinner will stop. Alright. And it will stand by itself. And then the mode, it gets into the ready mode, where the light and medium is flashing. Alright, when I get back into it, you snap it, and then you press the mode button again, and they start it again. Alright. And for storage, after you're done with the mop, by wrapping the cords right here, it's just like a vacuum, right? I think it's hard to do with one hand because I'm holding a camera as well, but that's the idea. Okay, and that's how it looks like after you have wrapped everything. Okay, and you can just put it in your closet.